Hello friends, I'm Crystal and today we will be making Bugs Bunny's favorite dish, carrot cake. My very first YouTube video was also about carrot cake, and I thought that I would make it again for my 1-year YouTube anniversary and doubling it as an Easter cake. As you can see, it's already like 3 months after that and I haven't been making videos for the past half a year, so I don't even know if I can count this as an anniversary. But you know what? The theme for this year is late but better than never. Honestly, I wasn't planning on taking such a long break. I was burning out, so I stopped for a bit and then I blinked and it became 6 months. Oops. The good news is that I have been recording content for videos. The bad news is that I haven't gotten around to the actual editing part. I don't know about you, but editing fries my brain sometimes. Actually, it deep fries my brain every time. Anyways, not only is this carrot cake delicious, but it is also on the healthier side with all the oatmeal and carrots. Not to mention, it's a workout just to grate all the carrots, which is how Bugs Bunny became so buff. I do some mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Pour the raisins, fold. Chop, chop, chop. Mix, mix. Parchment paper. Put parchment paper away. Heat up oven. Walk back. Cut some circles. Wait, trace the circles first. And then cut the circles. Put circles into pan. Spread olive oil. Pour in batter. Pans into oven, take out after it's done. Toothpick clean means that it's done. Now for a short intermission while we wait for the cake to cool. After letting the cake cool for a few hours, we can now start on the frosting. Here's my valiant attempt at getting the cheese out of the wrapper with one hand and holding the camera in the other hand. I eventually had to use both of my hands. Then we need to whip and beat the cheese violently until it's nice and fluffy. Next we pour in all the other stuff and whip it up some more. Now for decorating the cake, I found this fancy frosting spreader in one of the kitchen drawers. But you can use a spoon or a regular knife if you don't have one. And then I kind of just dumped the frosting on and spread it around as evenly as I could. I also had to buy some new piping tips. I decided to use some of my cousin's leftover frosting that we froze for some brown flowers. Waste not, want not. Then I added some of these almond chocolate covered Easter egg candies that are rock hard, by the way. Do not recommend. They look pretty, but they are not teeth friendly. And then I mixed some melted chocolate and honey to write Happy Easter on the cake. And that is the final product.
Oh, we are the boys of the chorus. We hope you like our show. We know you're rooting for us, but now we have to go.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!